After passing out from there, we were doing work already from when our college is going on, was going on.
Achha.
We were doing a lot of designing work. That time everything was manual, not computer involved actually. So we used to do it work and earn the money for our lot of things actually, extra expenses.
तो अगर कोई बंदा है जिसको ये इंडस्ट्री में बिजनेस चालू करना है, ही इज यंग और ही वांट्स टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस,
Right.
सो वेयर शुड ही स्टार्ट, यानी कौन से इंडस्ट्री में उसने ध्यान देना चाहिए या कहाँ से चालू करना चाहिए? ही इज अ फ्रेशर, ही डजंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मनी,
Okay.
मान के चलो ही इज फ्रेश,
Okay.
तो कहाँ से चालू करना चाहिए? आप कहाँ सजेस्ट करोगे उसको?
But creative work is coming from the pre-press side. So he should know the knowledge of the softwares.
ओके,
एंड गुड नॉलेज. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट मुझे लिटरेट बनाने का होता है, विजिटिंग कार्ड बनाने का होता है, कट पे से यहाँ से वहाँ से करवाने के होते हैं. दैट इज नॉट द नॉलेज.
एंड यू हैव सीन दिस एंटायर
Transaction.
प्री कंप्यूटर एरा,
Yes.
कंप्यूटर एरा, एंड नाउ द एआई एरा वेयर देयर सो
Exactly.
डिफरेंट थिंग्स. यानी आजकल ग्राफिक्स भी बनाने की जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ आप प्रॉम्प्ट दे दो,
बस.
ये बना दो, वो बन के आ
बन के
जाएगा.
आ जाएगा.
हाय नितिन भाई,
हाय.
वेलकम टू इंक स्टोरीज. नाइस टू मीट यू. आप यू आर जस्ट माय नेक्स्ट डोर नेबर, पर हम पहले कभी मिले नहीं.
यस, एग्जैक्टली. मैंने वही सुना नहीं था आपके बारे में. नाइस टू मीट यू.
या थैंक्स, प्लेजर इज ऑल माइन. अच्छा लगा. सो पहले हम चालू करते हैं. मैं भी ज़्यादा आपके बिजनेस के बारे में जानता नहीं हूँ, सो फॉर द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ आवर ऑडियंस, आप एग्जैक्टली आपका कंपनी करता क्या है?
Yeah. See, my company is Newmax Blocks, is doing manufacturing flexo plates for the flexo printing for various of printing applications. Like flexo is vast application process. One is for the label printing, one is the wide web CI press printing, then corrugation printing, then exercise books printing. Also, we make letterpress plates for the again label printing, then embossing, and there are a lot of applications. Even the countless applications. Coatings also.
अच्छा,
So that all plates we manufacture here.
तो बेसिकली अगर मैं बोलूँ न्यूमेक्स ब्लॉक्स का बिजनेस है, वो प्लेट्स बनाने का बिजनेस है.
Final, our end product is plate. But before making plate, there are a lot of operations involved here.
थोड़ा बताइए क्या होता है वो
A
एग्जैक्टली.
lot of, मतलब, we do branding way also. That means suppose our clients want artwork making, designing making for their products. That also we are doing. As well as we are getting a lot of artworks from ad agencies.
अच्छा.
Yeah. So their artworks are in basic form.
अच्छा.
To make them printable as per the technology.
अच्छा.
That all conversion we are doing.
अच्छा.
For that we have the very good staff.
Okay.
Very good softwares.
Okay.
And we are doing a lot of work on that, corrections and approvals and everything. Then that artworks are going finally for the plate making.
Okay.
In plates also there are a lot of 2-3 operations are there, like.
अच्छा.
Then that plate is getting ready for the printing.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
यानी न्यूमेक्स ब्लॉक में पहले प्री प्रेस काम होता है,
Yes.
जहाँ पे आप लोग
पहले डिजाइनिंग का काम होता है, प्री प्रेस का काम होता है, देन वी आर मेकिंग प्लेट्स.
करेक्ट.
So yes.
एंड यू आर देन मेकिंग प्लेट्स एंड द प्लेट्स आर गोइंग टू द फ्लेक्सो प्रिंटर्स.
फ्लेक्सो प्रिंटर्स. या.
लवली.
Yeah.
तो अभी आपके जो एंड यूजर कौन है, यानी प्रिंटर तो ये है, तो आपके ये अच्छे काम या गलत काम से किसको इफेक्ट करता है? हु इज द एंड यूजर?
End user are all printers, like packaging printers.
Okay.
Like label printers.
Okay.
Label printing is now.
और उन लोग आगे सप्लाई करते हैं.
आगे प्रिंट करके सप्लाई करते हैं. Then we have a lot of CI flexo plate, CI flexo printers.
Okay.
Like we call as a converters.
Okay.
They are our clients.
Okay.
They do the packaging printing.
अच्छा.
Against Gravier Flexo is that things are going on. So they are doing printing, and that is their end product.
अच्छा.
Yeah. For making pouches or bags or whatever it is the item.
सो देयर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशन जिसके
Yes.
अंदर ये यानी जो एक कॉमन
हाँ.
आदमी है जो ये पॉडकास्ट सुन रहा होगा,
Right.
तो उसको एहसास भी नहीं होता होगा ये प्रिंट कैसे होता है.
Yes. Yes.
इसका यानी आप प्लेट्स बनता है,
जी
फिर
हाँ.
उसका फ्लेक्सो प्रिंटिंग होता है,
Right.
एंड देन यू आर
Right.
गेटिंग द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट व्हिच
हाँ.
गोज इनटू द कंज्यूमर्स हैंड्स.
Yes.
एंड दैट कुड बी अ लेबल, इट कुड बी अ बैग, इट कुड बी
Yes.
दोस काइंड
Yes.
ऑफ
Yes.
स्टेशनरी वर्किंग बुक्स
Yeah.
आप जो बता रहे थे.
Exactly.
सो डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स
Yeah,
दैट कैन बी मेड.
Printing is a totally technical line, from artwork to pre-press to plate or to printing press also. It's very
Achha.
technical. So you miss anything, any good link in between this, then your print quality will be not better.
Achha.
Definitely.
Achha.
So our part, we are taking care of that
अच्छा.
for so many years, almost
Achha.
more than 30 years.
So what are the challenges for a printer if he is to succeed in this industry? तो उनको क्या देखना पड़ता है, क्या चीज़ों पे ध्यान रखना पड़ता है?
See, succeed as a printer is a different thing, because my business is pre-press and plates.
Correct.
So what we give them the better quality plates they will do the better printing definitely. उसमें बहुत कुछ इन्वॉल्वमेंट है बाद में, देयर एनालॉग्स है, देन देयर इंक्स है, बाकी भी कुछ उनके जो सामान रहेंगे या तो जो रॉ मटेरियल रहेगा वो इन्वॉल्व
तो
रहेगा.
आपका प्रोडक्ट से कितना उनके बिजनेस में फर्क पड़ता है?
इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 50%.
मुझे ऐसा मेरा पूछने का कारण ये था, मुझे ऐसा लगा बहुत ज्यादा क्रिटिकल है.
हाँ, yes.
क्योंकि अगर प्लेट में कुछ गलती हो गया तो आपका पूरा एंड प्रोडक्ट गलत हो गया.
100% loss.
Right.
So we are doing
So you are like the lifeline.
Yes, exactly. I will not give the percentage for that, but we are the majority percentage successful
Correct.
for the better printing, definitely.
तो क्योंकि ज्यादा लोग जानते नहीं है, समझते नहीं है कि ये इतना क्रिटिकल फंक्शन है एक प्रिंटिंग,
Yes,
एटलीस्ट
yes.
फ्लेक्सो प्रिंटिंग का.
Right.
तो आपके जैसे कितने लोग हैं ये इंडस्ट्री में?
See, you are talking about the pre-press, right?
आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट प्री-प्रेस, जो
मेरा business है.
जो आपका बिजनेस है.
See, मेरे जैसे आप ऑल ओवर इंडिया की बात करो, मे बी मोर देन 400-500.
अच्छा, इतने लोग
होने
हैं?
चाहिए.
अच्छा.
But there are few only trade shop, means the
अच्छा.
process shop. They are successfully giving to the better quality.
अच्छा.
They are very few.
Okay.
That is just you can say
यानी वो
finger countable.
80-20 का रूल होगा ही, यानी
Yes,
20%
yes,
इज कैटरिंग टू 80% ऑफ द
है,
बिजनेस.
है.
फिर बाकी छोटे छोटे प्लेयर्स.
छोटे छोटे काफी है.
अच्छा.
Yes, but to have the knowledge and make the right plate is very important. Yes.
ओके. सो इफ आई वुड से अभी आपके ये बिजनेस में इफ समवन हैज टू लुक एट द प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी ऑफ
Yes.
द फ्लेक्सो बिजनेस ऑफ अ
Right.
प्रिंटर,
Right.
तो बाय द प्लेट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग
Yes.
वो उससे कितना मैटर करता है? यानी इफ यू टेक अ गुड प्लेट, विल इट रियली इम्पैक्ट देयर प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी?
Yeah, you mean to say my okay printer will be take the better plate.
हाँ, अगर वो मान के चलिए वो न्यूमेक्स ब्लॉक से लेते हैं या XYZ कंपनी से लेते हैं,
Right.
तो उससे उनके बिजनेस में कितना फर्क पड़ता है?
Definitely. अगर see if other people giving the good plate, they will succeed. But it is bad plate, they will not get success. But at Numex, I will tell you, we are giving always try to give. कभी-कभी मिस्टेक होती है definitely. But बहुत रेयर केस में. But 99% we are trying to give them the perfect plate. So my client will be always profitable.
नहीं, पर मान के चलिए कि जैसे आई डोंट नो द प्राइसिंग,
हाँ.
सो समवन इज कोटिंग 100 रुपीज
Yes.
और आपका प्राइस है 110 रुपीज.
10 rupees, yes.
तो वो बोले यार मेरा आपका तो 10 रुपए महंगा है, मैं सस्ते वाले से ले लेता हूँ.
हाँ.
तो जो एक प्रिंटर है उसके लाइफ में कितना फर्क पड़ता है उससे?
नहीं कुछ खास फर्क पड़ता है.
सो इफ इट टेक्स लेसर क्वालिटी प्लेट,
No, lesser quality if it takes, that will be less technology plate. What
अच्छा.
equipment we have, what knowledge we have, and how we are doing the work.
हाँ.
So that is very important.
सो इसके अंदर क्या टेक्नोलॉजी? आई मीन यू हैव सम हाई एंड सोफिस्टिकेटेड मशीन्स टू
we have the
कन्वर्ट.
softwares we have,
Okay.
machineries we have,
Okay.
the people that are working for us, they have the good knowledge.
Okay.
And so that quality of the plate is better.
ओके.
It is like what we have to produce is what good plate you will get it in Europe or US. Same plate should be here in India
Yeah.
to our client.
Because you're catering to the same brand.
Same brand.
Right,
Yes.
right.
So that care we are taking always in.
So you have how many manufacturing plants?
We have 3 totally. Yeah, we are one in Mumbai, one is Pune, and one is Hyderabad.
Oh, lovely.
Yes.
So any particular reason that you picked these locations?
Yeah, because from Mumbai we cannot cater all this market, so we have their partners actually,
अच्छा.
working partners.
Okay.
So they are taking care of that area actually.
अच्छा,
Yes.
तो आपने स्टार्ट मुंबई से किया या पुणे से किया?
Mumbai से. I am
मुंबई
from
से.
Mumbai. Yes, Mumbai
So
से.
let's know a little.
ये डिपार्टमेंट लास्ट 5 years में सब दोनों भी चालू हुआ है.
अच्छा, तो उसके पहले क्या कर रहे थे?
उसके पहले हम लोग बॉम्बे से थे उनको.
अच्छा. Oh, you mean those other two places started 5 years
Started
back.
5 years back.
So let us go rewind a little bit. आपका बैकग्राउंड, आप कहाँ से चालू हुआ? Where
Okay.
did you, where were you born? थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताइए.
I'll take a tea.
Please.
Your history.
Tea helps to jog your memory.
See, my background is coming from the designing area. I am a commercial artist from JJ School of Arts.
अच्छा, nice.
So after passing out from there, we were doing work already from when our college is going on. We were doing a lot of designing work. That time everything was manual, not computer involved actually. So we used to do it work and earn the money for our lot of things actually, extra expenses. And when I came out, my father have already started one small unit for the block making. That is copper and zinc. जो उस जमाने का जो print media था.
अच्छा, आपके पापा का बिजनेस था पहले से?
Yes, मैंने चालू किया था. बाद में I continue that.
अच्छा.
I continue that. And when I continue with the making artwork and plate blocks giving to my clients, they are very
कौन से
happy.
इंडस्ट्री को केटर कर रहे थे? तभी तो शायद फ्लेक्सो इतना
उस
था नहीं.
टाइम फ्लेक्सो भी नहीं था, उस टाइम में ऑफसेट भी नहीं इतना पॉपुलर था.
Correct.
इंटरनेट नहीं था. So today PDF file is going here and there as a communication in media.
Correct.
Right, that time it was not there. So leaflet, catalog, brochures, visiting cards. Then other print media was very strong, and all print media was fully busy. So
Correct.
that all print media I used to cater.
तो ये जो आप ब्लॉग्स बनाते थे जिंक से,
हाँ.
तो वो कौन से ऑफसेट के लिए जाता था या लेटर प्रेस के लिए?
Slowly, I have seen that when I was young, that time only this offset has entered actually,
अच्छा,
and slowly it's take over completely letterpress market.
ओके,
Yeah.
ओके.
And I can say in 85 to 90, letterpress like a dead market. Slowly.
अच्छा,
And offset is coming shining like very high way. So we that time only Flexo also started slowly.
अच्छा,
In after 90s actually. So we started first letterpress Nilo plates with one of the company,
अच्छा,
and that means we eliminated zinc and copper and started giving Nilo plates,
ओके, फोटोपॉलीमर प्लेट्स.
photopolymer plates. So that is succeed, and with that company also
That would be more cost effective also.
not cost effective. That is little costly,
अच्छा भाई,
but result was better.
The result was
and
better.
quickness was there actually. So my clients were happy.
Okay.
But slowly Flexo also come material. Before that Flexo was in rubber sheets, vulcanized rubber.
ओके,
That vulcanized rubber was costly,
Okay.
and Flexo plate that time that was little bit cheaper.
ओके.
Yeah, so Flexo plate making is increased that business.
So how did you make this decision? You know, at that point in time,
Yeah,
आप कुछ कर रहे थे कि
yeah.
फ्लेक्सो में घुसे कैसे? है ना?
Yeah.
It was luck by chance या
as
आपने
a
कुछ
industry,
strategy?
lot of people contacting us like,
हाँ.
okay, yeah, what you are doing? Okay, we have this product, that product, we want it. Then some communication and make a trials and वैसे ही होता था मतलब. Otherwise हम लोग कहीं नहीं जाते थे बाहर.
बेसिकली लोगों से मिलके
मिलके
जब
होता
बात
था,
होता
yes,
है तब
yes.
आइडियाज निकलते हैं और
निकलती है.
फिर आप यू आर एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द कर्व,
Yes.
अपवर्ड कर्व के आप स्टार्ट में खड़े हो तो देन यू ग्रो अलोंग विद द
Yes,
मार्केट.
exactly. तो वैसे फ्लेक्सो भी चालू हुआ. It was very initially because only
आप कौन से साल की बात कर रहे हैं?
मैं ये almost 93, 92 की बात कर रहा हूँ.
फ्लेक्सो.
Yes, when I started Flexo.
ओके,
And like that time only Indian printing machines were available, and all printing machines just for the making impressions. So quality was not much high actually.
अच्छा,
I can see that corrugation, then shopping bags was very big business, then garment bags, this and that, all that things. So it was a big business slowly, and we are stuck to that business more than 10 years like that. But there was no development after that.
अच्छा.
After 2000, I have seen that label printing started.
तब तक लेबल नहीं होता था?
नहीं होता था. 98 या तो 99 से लेवल प्रिंटिंग चालू हो गया, एंड slowly विद इन ईयर 2 year गैप ये बढ़ गया इमीडिएटली.
हाँ.
Yeah, I seen lot of people, the big brands where I used to supply, they are become very big printer now. Yeah. So in my journey, this I took around 2002. I took first India's CTP machine for Flexo.
ओके.
Yeah. So
Which company?
this is Esco.
Escos.
Yes.
Okay.
So the software and Esco to that CTP machine I took together and trying to give the much better result of plate in the industry.
And
अभी तो बहुत बढ़ गया है. There are now more than, I think, I don't know exactly, but maybe more than 200 to 50 machines are there.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
That's grown
It's
considerably.
grown like anything
So
last
the
20
label
years.
industry has grown.
All industry.
All industry.
Who are using the photopolymer plates, that all industry for the packaging is increased. That I have seen that transaction.
राइट,
Yeah.
राइट. सो ये जो लेबल इंडस्ट्री है, यानी फ्लेक्सो इंडस्ट्री में या फ्लेक्सो प्रिंटिंग में ज़्यादा पैकेजिंग होता है या लेबल प्रिंटिंग होता है, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
See, today you can say it's a fully packaging, because label printing में there are a lot of options. You can do it by offset, you can do it by Flexo, you can do it by letterpress. Some people doing big quantities doing by Gruyere also. So there are a lot of options. One of option is the Flexo. So full industry is increased.
ओवरऑल मार्केट इज
Market is increased.
डिफिकल्ट टू
Yes,
पिन
yes,
पॉइंट की
yes,
कौन सा
yes,
कितना है.
Yes.
तो सर थोड़ा बताइए कि जो अगर कोई बंदा है जिसको ये इंडस्ट्री में बिजनेस चालू करना है, ही इज यंग और ही वांट्स टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस,
Right.
सो वेयर शुड ही स्टार्ट, यानी कौन से इंडस्ट्री में उसने ध्यान देना चाहिए या कहाँ से चालू करना चाहिए? इज अ फ्रेशर, ही डजंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मनी,
Okay.
मान के चलो ही इज फ्रेश,
Okay.
तो कहाँ से चालू करना चाहिए? आप कहाँ सजेस्ट करोगे उसको?
See, is a fighting process definitely. Can't say exactly कहाँ से चालू करना चाहिए.
तो भी दो तीन की यार यहाँ पे लोग केटर नहीं कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं,
हाँ.
थोड़ा कोई कुछ आइडियाज दीजिए.
See, making nowadays I can see that pouches.
अच्छा.
Because internet sale is increased.
हाँ.
And people need lot of lower or smaller quantity pouches for packaging. because as per government rule, you cannot sell as a open food items actually. You need a pouches.
You need a pouch.
So that industry is increasing. I have seen that. Yeah. So he can think for that definitely.
Okay.
But for that, there are two ways. One is going by the label printing way, or going by the wide web printing press. So going by label printing press is a lower investment opportunity to go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. Then he can do the labels also, and he can do the pouches also.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
So that is on the printing side. But any other opportunities? जैसे आप you got into the pre-press side.
Yes. Yes.
So एक तो printing है which you know many people don't get in because थोड़ा capital investment है, थोड़ा
Yes,
उसके
yes,
अंदर होता है, and then you
yes,
need a lot of
yes,
people,
yes,
skilled labor फलाना.
Yes.
But I'm saying कि अगर printing side में नहीं जाना है, but he has to be in the industry,
Pre-press.
तो और pre-press या something
yeah.
else, trading होगा कुछ, तो और कोई opportunities आपके हिसाब
Trading
से?
is the best. There is no doubt about that, because you don't have to invest anything. You have to just take the material and supply with your proper profitable. You have to see the profitability and everything. But if you come to the pre-press side, you need a knowledge. Otherwise, pre-press में भी अच्छा investment.
यानी जब आप knowledge बोलते हैं तो क्या what kind of knowledge should be focusing?
See, you should know the totally printing. Your printer depends on you. What plate you will supply, that he will print, and if it is not perfect, he will waste his material.
Correct.
Everything.
Correct.
And before printing, he will not come to know what is going on करके.
Correct.
So that printing plate has to be 100% perfect. To make a 100% perfect quality, and that so that what knowledge you need an experience, 5-6 years or 10 years experience.
So you probably need to work somewhere
Yes.
for 5-6 years before you even think of getting into
Exactly.
something.
And there is an investment also.
Correct. Investment भी.
Yeah, I will not tell you the figure how much it is, but there is an investment. It's a good investment.
अच्छा, महंगा है.
And electronic is what we make it all. Electronic investment is there.
अच्छा.
Every 2 years there will be some
it's
change.
changing.
Yes. So you don't know when your investment will become a zero actually.
Oh, अच्छा.
It is like that.
As a risky है.
Yes.
The IT industry जैसा है. It keeps changing.
Exactly. Keeps changing.
And someone who wants to come in as an employee, fresh engineer है, fresh diploma graduate है, या फिर और कोई graduate है, वो ये industry में आना चाहता है. He is very enticed by colors. उसको colors बहुत पसंद है और वो ये industry में आना चाहता है और आपके कंपनी में join करना चाहता है. तो आप उसको कैसे क्या skill sets होने चाहिए उसके पास?
See, we keeping first what experience he has actually. Very fresh people, it's very difficult us to take it.
अच्छा, freshers लेते नहीं. चलो.
He don't know anything.
So what kind of experience do you look for?
See, he should be work somewhere else first thing, or he should be come from the printing college.
Okay. हाँ, मैं वही कह रहा हूँ.
थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन होता है कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ और क्या करने जा रहा हूँ.
थोड़ा नॉलेज होता है.
नॉलेज होता है.
तो एक जो प्रिंटिंग इंजीनियर जो आया है या प्रिंटिंग डिप्लोमा करके जो बंदा है, तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्किल सेट्स ही शुड बी रियली डेवलपिंग इन द नेक्स्ट 2-3 इयर्स की न्यूमैक्स ब्लॉक्स में उसको जॉब मिले?
See, there are two sector in pre-press. One is a computer knowledge, second is a plate making. Plate making is a very simple process. You need a certified good better machineries, then that thing will be happened. It's a mechanical work. But creative work is coming from the pre-press side. So he should know the knowledge of the softwares.
Okay.
Yeah, and good knowledge. It is not like that मुझे literate बनाने का होता है, visiting card बनाने का होता है, कट पे से यहाँ से वहाँ से करवाने का होता है. That is not the knowledge.
अच्छा.
You need a basic thorough knowledge.
अच्छा.
Completely. Then only you can enter over there.
हाँ, okay.
Yeah.
तो it's not that easy. You can just not work. You have to do it taking a lot of efforts.
What he will create, it's go to my wrong thing, will go to my client.
Right.
He will shout at us.
Right.
Not to him.
And because the entire brand is at stake ना, वो किसी कोई पैसा लगा रहा है, किसी का प्रोडक्शन रुका हुआ है.
Exactly.
So it's not only about one job going wrong. There is a lot of things at stake.
Exactly.
Correct.
And suppose इस ओवरसाइड हो गया, फिल हो गया, मतलब जो भी उसका आइटम्स हो रहा है, फिल हो गया, सील हो गया, एंड इफ यू फाइंड दैट पाउच इज नॉट परफेक्ट, it's a disaster.
Oh, true.
होता है कभी कभी.
हाँ.
So it is like that. So we always take care that everything is perfect.
तो how easy, I mean it sounds a little technical and a little complicated. तो आपके लिए कितना आसान है employee gain करना?
Yeah, first thing, employees retention is very important. अगर देख रहे हैं कि भाई एक एम्प्लॉय अच्छा काम कर रहा है, we have to retain that. We cannot leave him. So ऐसे हम लोगों को एम्प्लॉय जमा करके रखने पड़ते हैं. Okay, this is a group of employees which is an asset for our company.
Correct. तो टीम बना के रखना
पड़ता है, and that team is very useful.
Correct.
Yeah.
So and then you keep training the new guys जिसको भी थोड़ा बहुत knowledge है.
I have seen that lot of new people coming, but they cannot cope up with that tension of the work actually. Immediately 2-3 months they are going. I have seen that.
अच्छा,
yes.
it's
happening. Yes.
Oh, okay.
अगर वो टिक गया, कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है, तो he is wasting his life, nothing else.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So but I have seen that sometimes from the printing engineers or sometimes from the normal people, they are learning very fast. They have the good IQ. they learn fast and they are
थोड़ा इंक्लिनेशन होता है अंदर से,
होता है।
चीजें समझ में आती है. यू नीड टू हैव सम
yes.
काइंड ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन टुवर्ड्स लर्निंग दीस
to
काइंड
learning
ऑफ टेक्निकल
process.
थिंग्स.
Yes, yes. तो वो होने के बाद में मेकिंग अ टीम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट
Correct.
फॉर एनी बिजनेस.
फॉर एनी बिजनेस एग्रीड. या बिना टीम के तो
कुछ नहीं होगा.
कुछ नहीं होगा.
बराबर.
तो आप अभी यू नो आई थिंक 40 years is what I am assuming that you are
I
in
am
business.
almost in this industry like you can say 35 38 years. Yes.
38 years.
Yes.
नितिन जी, आप तो अभी approximately I am understanding you have been in business for 35-38
Yes,
years.
yes.
So how has been your business? It's always been upward moving या ऊपर नीचे, ups and downs, and कैसा रहा है, थोड़ा बताएंगे?
Yeah, honestly with you, luckily grace of God, touch wood, always upward रहा. Business was good from starting. In between time थोड़ा सा challenges आता ही है, मतलब स्टाफ का रहेगा या तो रॉ मटेरियल्स का रहेगा या तो फिर सम टैक्सेशन अथॉरिटी के पास में से रहेगा.
Correct.
So all that challenges were there actually, definitely, but we have come up out of everything, and I have seen that business is growing, and I have seen that Flexo business all together, always every year more than 7-8% growth I have seen. Yeah, it is earlier it was more than 10%, but now I can say 7-8% definitely.
Why the number has come down? Any
No,
particular
its
reason?
growth is there.
अच्छा, नहीं, पहले 10% था, अभी 7-8% हो गया.
Competition is more.
अच्छा.
People are investing more money.
Okay.
Maybe
okay.
because of that.
Yeah. Okay, that
So,
way.
yeah.
You're getting more and more people
Yeah,
who are
there
coming
will
into
be
the
some
market.
limitations always ना.
Okay.
Actually what you need a graveyard to Flexo transaction का जो एक टाइम है वो स्टार्ट होके थोड़ा सा स्पीड अप में हो गया, थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे होता है, बट मे बी इन फर्दर वी कैन से वी शुड बी.
So how if you had to compare between a Graveyard and Flex, so which would you bet on? कौन सा better technology है?
रिजल्ट्स में ऑफ कोर्स ग्रेवियर इज बेटर, बट आई हर्ड दैट इन्वायरमेंटल फ्रेंडली बोलो या तो कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव बोलो, फ्लेक्सो इज बेटर. यस.
Okay.
And but today's Flexo result is touching to graveyard printing. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
So I will not say it is 100% perfect, but it is touching to graveyard. In label and other with UV based things, it is better than graveyard or offset.
नहीं, with UV based things I'm sure
Yes,
it will be
yes,
much more
yes,
superior.
yes.
And especially label printing में तो maximum सब Flexo ही है.
Flexo ही है. Yes, is maybe more than 90% is Flexo.
Packaging में है Graveyard, but
Yes, yes.
इसके अंदर
Packaging made is I think maybe 80% graveyard.
Correct.
20% is Flexo.
I
But
mean,
20% is a more big figure maybe.
Okay, interesting.
Yes.
So any questions that I should have asked you about your journey that I missed? You've had a phenomenal 38 year journey.
Yes.
आपने बहुत कुछ देखा है इंडस्ट्री में.
Right.
आप बहुत
See,
सारे
I have my generation has seen that when we started that time computer graphics was not there. Everything was like you have to do it by hand, right?
Right.
So then it is going to the process camera and films and all that things. Then slowly image setter has come. Which maybe I don't know. You know the image setter or don't know? I don't know. You maybe know.
No, I don't.
Making the films.
अच्छा.
Then that is gone. Then plate setter has come. Then workflow, what we talk actually, is the heart of the process. We used to do it on films by manually process, which is 100% on computer process nowadays with the good softwares. So that is a miracle I can say. And
you have seen this entire transaction. Pre-computer era,
Yes.
computer era, and now the AI era, where there's so
Exactly.
many different things. यानी आजकल graphics भी बनाने की जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ आप prompt दे दो,
बस।
ये बना दो, वो बन के आ जाएगा.
And I don't know the further क्या होगा, मतलब printing में भी क्या transaction आएगा.
Correct.
Because digital printing is expanding very fast.
Correct.
And of course posting and the quantities I don't know.
Correct.
But that is one of the
you might
technology is coming up.
For you from a worry point of view, you would look at
no worry.
But if the digital print technology
Yes.
picks up
Yeah.
in a much bigger way than what it is today, then
See, it will take time. It will take time.
Obviously,
Like there will be always a printing process. Like screen printing is there, letterpress is there, Flexo is there, offset is there, graveyard is there. Like that, digital will be there. So nobody has to be scared. That process, another process will be added. I think so. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it will
That
be.
much
It
work will be increased.
It will be one more
Yeah.
kind of technology in
Technology
the market,
will in the market,
which
yes.
the customer can pick from.
Exactly.
बढ़िया.
Yeah.
Great. I have last two questions for you.
Yes.
One is we've had you to be a part of this podcast. I got to know about you from Suhas,
Yeah.
who was our guest last time.
Yes.
He mentioned about you, and I had already heard about you, but
Yeah.
अपना connection हुआ नहीं, though we were just next door neighbors.
Right.
ऐसे आपके जहन में कोई लोग हैं जो आप सजेस्ट करना चाहेंगे who can be guests on our podcast?
Yeah, definitely. In my industry set, one of my friend is that called Mr. Pramod Jaikar.
Okay.
He is manufacturing and printing machine for the cups.
अच्छा, पेपर कप्स.
Paper cups, no, plastic cups.
Plastic cups.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. But he's doing very beautiful, very good big machine.
Okay.
And almost that rating of that machine is very nice in India.
Great.
So I can suggest him,
Okay.
and I will give his number
Please,
to you.
please share his
Definitely,
number. I'll
yes.
connect with him.
Yeah, yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah, yeah.
And you've done this podcast with us.
Yes.
I'm assuming that this is the first podcast for you.
Yes,
What is
yes.
your experience and what do you think about this concept of a podcast for this industry?
This is very good concept because we are talking always on the technology and the success of the people actually.
Right.
With this information, the new coming generation should be get ideas and they should be
Inspiration, motivation.
Yeah, and they should come up.
Yeah.
It's my motto.
Yeah, yeah, that's the whole idea कि लोग कुछ सीखे.
हाँ.
और क्योंकि जैसे नितिन जी का
Yes.
जर्नी है 40
Right,
साल का.
right.
न्यूमैक्स ब्लॉक्स का जर्नी है.
Yes.
तो हमारा सब एक लाइफ टाइम है ना, उसके
Yes.
बाद वी आर नॉट देयर.
Not there,
तो
exactly.
लेकिन वो नॉलेज खत्म हो गया.
खत्म हो गया बराबर.
वो नॉलेज अगर हम कहीं पे स्टोर करके रख पाए एंड इट कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ रिपोजिटरी ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन
yes,
फॉर फ्यूचर पीपल. That was the whole idea.
I do agree for that, and you should be do more and more for that.
Thanks. Appreciate Nitin ji.
Yes.
Thanks for coming.
Yes.
Nice having you.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks. Great. Thanks.